Hi guys, today's video is how to make a windmill. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all your equipment, and the picture of the equipment is on screen. This is all you're going to need to make your windmill. You don't necessarily need glue, but you will need a second pair of hands to help you hold all of the corners down, as it will get a little bit fiddly. As I was doing it on my own, I used a glue stick to help me pin it all down. I've also got a piece of wood, just a stick that I found in the garden. A normal stick, like off a tree branch, will work, or the best excuse yet is to have a lollipop stick, so you'll need to eat your lollipop first. Unfortunately, I was out of lollipops. But you'll only need these few items to help you make your windmill. The first thing you need to do is measure a 15cm by 15cm square, so all of the sides are the same length. Cut your square out, decorate. Once you've decorated your square, use the ruler and draw a line from corner to corner so that you get a cross in the centre of your piece of paper. The next thing that you need to do is measure 3 centimetres from the centre of the piece of paper. So where your cross is, you need to put the 0 or the first line of the ruler, and then put a line where it goes to 3 centimetres. This will help you when you're cutting, okay? Do this for all 4 lines, and I'll show you on the next bit now. I've drawn them in thick black marker. You don't need to do this, I just did it so it was easier for you to see where those 3 centimetre markers are, okay? Where I've drawn the black dotted lines, again, you don't need to do this, but it's just to show you that these are the lines that you're cutting on, and you're going to stop when you hit that line, the 3 centimetre marker that you've just drawn. Carefully, using the scissors, cut along that dotted line up to the marker. Once that's done, put a blob of glue in the middle, or just get your second person ready to help you, because you're going to need their fingers. So I put a blob of glue on the corner of my first piece, and that corner then I'm going to join to the dot of glue in the middle, so it's folded down. If you haven't got glue and you're using another person, just get them to hold that corner at the centre of the cross, like this. Okay, do that for all 4 corners, and you'll end up with a windmill. The next thing you need to do, I was able to take my finger off as the glue had dried. The next thing you need to do is get your drawing pin and put that through the centre of your windmill. Now you need to make sure that all 4 corners, all 4 edges that you've got in the centre go through that drawing pin, as when it's outside and it's windy, it might come undone, okay? So it should look a little like this. Make sure when you put your drawing pin through to your stick that you leave a gap, just like this picture is showing here. If your windmill, the paper, is right up against the stick, then it will stop it from turning in the wind. This is my finished piece. I managed to put it up outside, and I can't believe how fast it manages to spin. So I have a challenge for you guys. What different methods can you use to make your windmill turn faster? Good luck, and I cannot wait to see your videos and pictures of your windmills. Have fun!